Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Now of course guys, I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max here, and of course it's a general tutorial for all iPhones, especially if you're updated the latest iOS version. So today guys, I'm going to show you to hide apps or hide a app on your should I say hide a app on your iPhone. All right, so in order to hide the app, go ahead and find any app. It doesn't really matter which one it is as long as it was downloaded from a third party. Now for example here we have going to use VLC as the example. So if I launch VLC, you can see the app here. It does open and works fine. Now in order to hide this particular app, if I wanted to hide it on an iPhone, it's very easy. What we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead guys and we're going to long press the app. Once you do, you're going to see a bunch of options and you're going to look for the option that says require face ID. All right, so right here, that's the second to last option. We're going to hit require face ID. Now, once it's on this screen, you're going to see it says require face ID or hide and require face ID. Now, to hide the app, we're going to use the middle one, which is the hide and require face ID. There you go. Just like that, it's requiring my face ID. So I'm going to say try again because I'm behind the camera. And there you go. And it gives you the information here to say once that you app will no longer be visible on your iPhone except a few places. All right, and of course it does show you the information here. You can read in detail. We're gonna say hide the app, and there you go, it instantly disappears. All right, so if I look, it's nowhere to be found. Now where do I find it? Now in order to find it, you'll have to go over here all the way to your right. And of course, you're most likely at the top of the screen. Scroll all the way down. You'll see a folder called hidden, but you notice there's nothing inside of it. And that's because by default, it's locked. So go ahead and launch. And of course, it's requiring my face ID. And because I'm behind the camera, so let me try again. All right, there you go. As you saw, I checked and there you go. It's hidden here. So it's hidden and no one can access it unless they have your face ID. Now, of course, right here, the folder is a folder. So if you tap on the icons, it's going to open the app. So if I tap, it says require face ID again. So let me try again. And there you go. So it's locked the app itself and the folder for hidden apps. So all I gotta do is go ahead and open the hidden folder and open the app itself. That's 2 times requiring a password. Or should I say the face ID. All right. Now let's say, for example, what are the other places I can find this hidden app, or just in case later on I need to troubleshoot an app, it can be easily found. Go to settings and let me go back here. Once you're in settings, you can also find it under apps, and of course it won't be in the regular apps because it's hidden. You'll have to go all the way down until you reach the hidden apps folder here, and there you go. And here you see the specific settings related to that app. Under hidden, it's moved from the normal app list, so that's something very important to note. Next place you can also find it, you'll find it as well in your battery usage, but just in case you need this, I'll make sure that I show you all of this ahead of time. Go to iPhone storage. You'll see every storage here except the apps that's hidden. Go to hidden apps, and of course again you'll see it's also face ID, and then it shows you the app. You can also offload the app here or delete the app from here. All right, so you get the general idea as it relates to that. Now how to place the app back in case you no longer want it to be hidden. This is important to know as well. So go ahead and go all the way over to your right, open your hidden folder. Then you're gonna long press on the app that's inside of the hidden folder. There might be multiples or there might be one. All right, I'm not going to uninstall, so make sure that you press and hold. Let go as soon as the context menu comes up as seen here. And all you got to do to restore it is say, don't require face ID, second option. All right, so I said don't require face ID. It verifies again, and it has removed the app from the hidden folder. It's no longer hidden. However, if you look, you do not see it, and that's because it doesn't put it back to its original position. You'll have to actually do that. So what you want to do here is go most likely to suggestions or search for the app directly, and here we go. So you want to drag and drop or long press and say add to home screen. All right, so I've added to home screen and it has chosen to place it here, and that's it. It has now add it to the home screen, and it's now back to where it's supposed to be. And that's how you hide the app on the iPhone. Hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.